Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to keep the aspect ratio for background images in Godot game engine. So it is a little bit tricky, it is not 100% perfect, but I'll try to show you this thing like maintaining the aspect ratio, which can help help you out a little bit, at least not 100% perfect like I said. So I'll just create one 2D scene, okay, and I will just add a sprite 2D, and I have one background image. I'll just drag and drop inside our sprite 2D, and here you can see it is completely gone off the screen. This is our screen. If you see this blue color part, so it is completely off the screen. So what for that, I can just do offsets and uncheck this centered, and here you can see it is looking something like this. I'll just run this. Okay, I'll just have to save it. Command S to save. I'll just save it and I'll run this. So this current scene is selected. Now here you can see this looks fine, but what if I just increase the size of my window? Here you can see we see this gray color part, which is not ideal for a game. So to solve this to at least some extent, what you can do is just go to project settings, and you will have to just search for window. So inside display you will see window, and the thing which you can do is first just keep your aspect as keep. There are other options as well if you want to keep width, keep height as well. I'll just use the keep, which is default. And inside mode you can either choose canvas items or viewport. Now this might vary depending on what kind of game you are creating, but I'll just like for me these two are more or less the same. I'll just select canvas item. I'll close this, and now I'll run it, and if I move it, here you can see, I know we still see this black color lines at the very end, but at least it has done a good job in maintaining the aspect ratio. Okay, I think there is one more option, but I don't know what's, sorry, not this. I'll just cancel project settings, and there is one option called viewport. I'm not really sure what's the difference between these two, but if I run it, here you can see we see something like this. It looks more or less the same to me. So yeah, this is how you can maintain aspect ratio to at least some extent for background images in Godot game engine. Thank you for watching. Bye.